Up to this bar restaurant. There's my beautiful girlfriend Cheryl, and this is a place called the Fish House, Floridia's Wood Fire Grill and Bar. So here we go. We're gonna go in. Look at how cool this is. You're gonna be on YouTube. Go ahead. Look at this cute place. Oh my gosh. I gotta go slow. Jimmy Buffett Memorial Highway. Look at this. The outdoor tiki bar. How cool is this?
Yeah, we shopped around for houses that were on a canal where you could have a boat.
How cool.
A boatlet.
Right on the water. How neat. Really nice lunch. And we're getting ready to go. I just want to show you this adorable restaurant again. Bradenton, Florida. Right on the water. So cute. So cute. I guess it's called Floridays. Thanks again, it was delicious.
No problem.
Thank you so much for a wonderful lunch.
We're so glad you enjoyed it.
Have a good day.
Nice meeting y'all.
Thanks.
Bye, you guys.
Bye.
Take care. Oh, Sally.
What a
Oh
beautiful.
my God, you're a trip.
Yep. Now we're off to Siesta Key Beach. And this is my beautiful daughter, Caroline.
Cheers.
We found a parking place. We lucked out.
Can we get the other one for you?
Sure.
And there it is. There is the beach. Too rickety to walk. Bye now.